I wanna spend my nights with you, my life with you. Oh baby, babe, please wait up for me till whenever I get home.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? All right, so today I'm gonna be doing this get ready with me. I was actually heading to a party called Chilling on the Farm here in Jamaica. So yeah, this look is kind of inspired by the outfit I was wearing today, which was like a denim romper. So yeah, I kind of wanted the eyes to really complement that, so I started off with my Royal Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I took this very beautiful kind of rusty orangey reddish eyeshadow. The eyeshadows doesn't have names, but I'll definitely put the link to it in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, because these shadows are like so pigmented and they're just beautiful. And then I went in because I wanted to do a cut crease today. Since recent times, I find myself trying to, you know, be a little bit more exciting when I'm going out and do more than just neutral looks, you know. So yeah, I went ahead and I opted for a cut crease today. Yeah, so I'm just blending out the edges, making sure that nothing is too harsh, and then I went over the edge there and blended the color so it didn't look like weird or anything, and kind of just made everything diffuse and look really nice and blended. Now I decided to go for glitter today. I'm not a glitter person when it comes on to like going out and stuff. I really no. But today I definitely felt like just switching it up and not staying in my comfort zone, and I felt like this blue really complemented the denim romper that I wore, and this is what I did. I went over the edges. I didn't get it on camera, but this is where I actually was going over the edges, blending in some of my Artist Couture Sugar Daddy Illuminator with the glitter, and I did apply some of that to the tear duct area as well, so I had a nice blend there. Now I'm pretty much done with the shadows and stuff. I moved on to just making a pretty simple wing liner. If you need a detailed wing liner tutorial, one will be linked in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Now I'm going in with my PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting Primer, and I'm just applying this to my face because now we're done with the eyes, well, for the most part. And I took my Golden Beige concealer from Sistar Cosmetics as well, and I went under the eyes just with Golden Beige because I really wanted the under eye to pop. Now for the rest of the highlighted portions, I used my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Warm. Yeah, and I blended that out seamlessly. Now I went on and I set these portions with my Sacha Buttercup, I believe, compact powder, because this isn't so messy, so I like using it, you know. Yeah, I then move on to just balancing out the rest of my face. And you guys know that this portion always comes like in most of my makeup tutorials where I use my Milani pressed powder, right? And this is in Warm 109. Say it with me, Warm 109. You guys know this part by heart. Yeah, so after I'm done with that, I pretty much just move on to adding a little bit of contour. I took the contour shade, literally that's the name, from the Black Radiance contour kit. I move on, I go back to the eyes for a bit, and I lined the lower waterline with some of my Stilazzi Gel Liner in Jet, which I absolutely love. I blended the lash line with some of the transition color, and then I moved on to spraying my face with my Mario Badescu Cucumber Water, and I set that in. And then I applied some of my Sugar Daddy from Artist Couture, which is my absolute favorite. Like, me not getting other highlighter yet. I have amazing highlighters, other amazing highlighters, but this one is just my top fave. Yes, after I do this, I move on to lips, and I pretty much just wanted glossy lips, not necessarily anything colorful. So I applied some of my Strawberry Fizz lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. And that's it for the makeup look today, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see my outfit, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Petite Essence. Yes, I didn't get any shots with that, unfortunately, for this video. But next Get Ready With Me, I'll try my best. I know you guys love seeing that. And don't worry, I do have lookbooks coming up. So, yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, this is a look for today. And oh, by the way, my wig as usual is from rpghair.com. The link to it will be in the description box, and you can go ahead and shop for it on my direct page link, and go ahead and use my discount code, stuff like that. And yeah, that's it for today, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.